Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Antarctica under the microscope. I am Skipper, the penguin, and I will take you on a trip to the discovery of the microorganisms that inhabit Antarctica. Today's researcher is Sergio Gambarini, who will explain us what ice cores are. Hi Sergio.
Thank you for inviting me. An ice core is a semicircular section made of ice, thanks to which we can obtain important information about temperature, air composition, solar radiation, etc. Furthermore, inside we can find many species of microorganisms.
Wow, that's amazing. Why don't we interview them too? So guys, tell me something about yourself.
Are unicellular organisms made up of a eukaryotic cell with a nucleus and many organelles. My name's Cyclidium, and I have long lashes that allow me to flow very easily.
I'm Zootemnium, and I am a part of a colony that lives on a solid substrate. For example, now we're living on a crustacean. Moreover, I have lashes too, but only near my mouth.
Photoperdinium, and I'm a dinoflagellate, which means I'm fluorescent. Thanks to sunlight, I live in a massive biomass, which allows me to grow.
That's great. One last question though. Is there anything you fear?
Well, I'm scared of creels. They always try to eat us.
Fantastic. And now our last guest, the frightful krill.
What? Where is he?
He promised he won't eat you. He's here to make amends and re-establish his reputation. That's right. I've really changed, and I'd do anything to prove it. Trust me, Cyclidium. Go near him. He will not bite you. Well, that was unexpected. So, sorry for the inconvenience, but I'll see you in the next episode of Antarctica under the microscope. See ya!